Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
If you missed out on the rain today, you might have a slightly better opportunity to maybe see a passing shower or even a thunderstorm as we go throughout tomorrow afternoon, as it looks like the dynamic should be a little better tomorrow afternoon as we get a little bit more of a sea breeze coming straight off the south, off the Gulf of Mexico, pushing it's a bit more moisture over top. So you might want to have that umbrella handy for your Sunday and just kind of keep that in the car, as we're going to continue to keep that summertime pattern of afternoon showers and storms all the way through the upcoming work week. So taking a look across the country, we can see a good bit of the southeast was dealing with those pop-up showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, from Florida stretching back through Alabama and Mississippi. Also up into the Midwest, they had some scattered showers, some severe weather ongoing now through Iowa and pushing into the northern portion of Illinois and Wisconsin. Also had some severe weather back through Montana and up into the Dakotas, but the good news is that looks to be falling apart. But as mentioned, I think we do get a little bit more of that southerly breeze, and that's going to pick up a little bit more of that moisture, and that'll throw us a better chance for some scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms throughout our Sunday afternoon. And we did have a few of those make their way in across Acadiana much of our Saturday. They mainly stayed out to the west, and then we had a few right along the Gulf Coast during the early evening hours. But you can see those have all now since faded. We are dealing with clear skies, but temperatures have really cooled off. 76 is where it's at, and there was a brisk wind earlier this evening. It felt nice down along downtown for the Art Walk. Winds, though, are beginning to relax at 3 miles coming straight out of the east, but we will see those turn more southerly for our Sunday. Dew points in the lower 70s, so still a little bit on the muggy side, but not that bad as we now push into the mid heart of summer. So through the overnight hours, we'll call it mainly clear. Not looking at a whole lot of activity, but I wouldn't rule out 1 or 2 isolated showers along the Gulf Coast to begin the day tomorrow. You can see then as we move into the afternoon, that activity becomes much more numerous through the afternoon. We'll maybe even go 40–50% chance for some of those isolated scattered showers. Even a few thunderstorms will be possible. Not expecting any severe weather, but you could get a nice heavy downpour with a decent amount of lightning embedded in with some of these storms. Even through the afternoon, we'll have continual hit or miss showers through the day, beginning the fade as we push into the evening hours. So it should be nice if you're heading out to some Sunday evening dinner plans. Most of the rain should be coming to an end. Temperatures in the mid 80s. Heading into the new work week, same thing. Wake up to dry conditions with mostly sunny skies, but then into the afternoon, 1 or 2 isolated stray showers will be possible in and around Acadiana, and that'll be pretty much the story all throughout the work week. We'll start off dry, and then each and every afternoon we'll have about a 20–30% chance for some hit or miss showers. You can see here's Wednesday afternoon, continuing to paint that slight chance for some hit or miss showers during the afternoon. But then as we start to head a little bit deeper into the week and head till about Thursday, our attention starts to point down here in the Gulf of Mexico, as we could possibly begin to see some tropical development heading our way. This is our GFS model, and you can see by Friday afternoon, this is 3 o'clock on Friday, just directly to the south of us, possibly maybe a tropical low beginning to develop, but we're going to put a question mark on this. We're not too sure. This is just one model, not an exact forecast, but something the model's been hinting at now for several runs, so we're going to have to start paying attention to this. Earlier runs did have it kind of coming closer to us, but you can see this latest run kind of has it staying farther to the south and then heading over towards Texas. This is now pushing us into Saturday afternoon, but it is kind of strengthening it. Maybe could even become a little bit of a tropical depression or tropical storm at this point, and then moves onshore maybe as a low-level category hurricane as we head into Sunday afternoon along the Texas coast down towards the Corpus Christi area. So just something we're going to have to pay attention to, and it will probably provide us a chance for some scattered showers if this does develop across our weekend. And it will be Father's Day weekend, so some of those outdoor plans might have to have a second case. Here's our European model. So things are a little bit different on the Euro model, not painting nearly as organized of activity, but still a widespread area of scattered scatters and storms that will be pushing up along the area. And this will be riding along an area of high pressure out to the east, pushing all this moisture. But again, it looks like more Texas coast will be the hotbed for this. But again, a few of those showers could make their way up into Lafayette. So that's what we're going to be really focusing on in the week ahead to see what exactly will happen in the Gulf of Mexico. But for your Saturday, just a typical June night, 74 for the overnight low. And for your Sunday, partly sunny early, but we will see the scattered showers and storms through the afternoon. 91 for the high. Lower rain chances moving into work week. Highs in the lower 90s. And then heading towards next weekend, that's when we'll be watching the tropics to see what does develop. But I would look at slightly better rain chances heading towards next weekend.